Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge, Chapter 2, Shloka 20. He is not born, nor does he ever die. After having been, he again ceases not to be. Unborn, eternal, changeless, and ancient. He is not killed when the body is killed.
Chapter 2, Shloka 20. न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे.
Chapter 2, Shloka 20. In the previous shloka, it was stated that the self is beyond the ego and the body, as it is the illuminator of both the ego and the body. Also, the self is not an agent nor an object of the action of slaying, because it is immutable. Our bodies constantly undergo changes, and these modifications cause the sorrows we experience in life. There are 6 modifications our body undergoes. They are birth, existence, growth, decay, disease, and death. All these are symptoms of mutability. These symptoms are negated in the self. The self is not born like a body, as it is eternal and exists at all times. Pots are born when made and die when destroyed. The mud is not born with the pot nor dies when the pot is destroyed. Since there is no birth of the mud, there is no death too. Only that which is born can die. The self is not something which has come to be born with the pot or due to the pot. It exists independent of the pot. Referring to the self, Lord says, he is not born nor he ever dies. After having been born, he again never ceases not to be. Unborn, eternal, changeless, and ancient, he is not killed when the body is killed. More in the next shloka in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life
you can
online.
answer the following questions.